Alright, in this video, we continue solving the exponential function or log function, okay? So all about the base. Remember, step 1, we're going to isolate the trouble on one side. And step 2, based on the given. You're going to take the natural log on both sides to bring down the power, then can do the housekeeping, or you're going to add the base to cancel out the base, and then do the housekeeping. Always remember, exponential function and log function, they are the inverse function, so they need each other to solve it. So solving means we're going to undo. So take a look at 7 to 12. What you see is what you got. Now, in class, we mentioned about you are allowed to use a calculator. If you see they want the answer, it's 3 decimals, right? But we're going to show off. We're going to say, how about I just keep my answer as fancy as you can see. So let's go. Step 1, activate your ego. It's my trouble by itself yet? No. So therefore, you're going to isolate the trouble by itself. So 4 times 5 to the x power times 4 opposite will be divide. So step 1, I'm going to both sides divide by 4. So 32 divided by 4 will be A. Okay, that's a beautiful A. Now, because my trouble is exponential function, so this is tells me I'm going to both sides take the natural log on both sides. Now, recall why? I take the natural log, so therefore I can bring the power down. So that gives me is x times natural log of 5 is equal to natural log of A. Now, recall, because I want to figure out x, so therefore I need to do the opposite. Times natural log of 5, the opposite will be divide. So the answer will be natural log of A divided by natural log of 5. Now this is perfect without a calculator. This is perfect. I just got my perfect answer. Do not overthink, okay? Now if you say that, it's, oh, decimal. I know, we can do that with the calculator. Boring, okay? Moving on. Number 8. Step 1, do you see your trouble is all by itself? Yes. So we say that because it's giving me is the exponential function, so I need to take the natural log on both sides to bring down the power. So step 1, just take the natural log by adding the ln on both sides. Now ego, you do see that base the same, cancel out. So what do I left? I got 3x is equal to natural log of 15. Natural log of 15, just a number, fancy. Then what do we do? I want to solve for x, so I need to both sides divide by 3. So my x is equal to natural log of 15 divided by 3. Once again, this is perfect. We do not need a calculator. That it's a perfect answer. Oh, moving on. All about the base. So moving on, you can see that my trouble, is my trouble isolated by itself yet? No. So step 1, we're going to isolate that. Plus 12, the opposite will be what? Minus 12. So that gives me 4 to the x power is equal to 52 minus 12. That will give me 40. So that's so good. So all about the base. The base is 4. Well, I know that the trouble as you see, it is my exponential function. So therefore, I'm going to both sides take the natural log. I'm going to take the natural log to bring down the power. So therefore, the power can bring it down up front. So that becomes x times natural log of 4. It's equal to natural log of 40. Again, I need to solve for x. I'm going to undo times natural log. That means the opposite will be divide. So I find the final answer will be natural log of 40 divided by natural log of 4. And yes, again, you are perfect. This is a perfect answer, okay? Now moving on. All about a base. You know that the trouble is right here. So step 1, I need to isolate. I don't like to see the 100 extra, so times 100, the opposite will be divide. So we get e to the negative 2x, it's equal to both sides divide. So 75 divided by 100. So far so good. You may say that, Ms. O, housekeeping. 75 divided by 100, housekeeping just be 0.75. Very good. So now you know that my trouble is the exponential function. I'm going to both sides take the natural log to bring down the power. So once you bring down the power up front, you get negative 2x times natural log of e. That is equal to natural log of 0.75. Oh, you know what? With my awesome eagle eye, base, the same, cancel out. So do you see those are the same? Cancel out. So what do I get? I just got negative 2x equal to natural log of 0.75, right? And how do I do? I'm going to both sides divide by negative 2. So now I have my perfect answer. It's fancy. It's all of everything, but it's perfect. This is my perfect answer. Ooh la la, loving it. So do not overthink. All about the base. As you can see, base, the same, cancel out. So now let's moving on 11. Same thing. I need to isolate my trouble, right? So therefore, you know that positive 9, the opposite will be what? Negative 9. So will we both sides minus 9? Yes. So 7 minus 9 will be negative 2. Then you can say that, eagle eye. Negative 2 on both sides can cancel out, which tells me I will both sides divide by negative 2, right? So that gives us what? The negative 2 is cancelled out. I get e to the x power is equal to negative 2 divide negative 2. The answer is 1. Then what do we know? We say that all about a base, right? What do you recognize that? E, any non-zero number, raise the power to 0, the answer must be 1. So therefore, that gives us x must equal to 0. And yes, indeed, this is perfect. Next one. Isolate the trouble. So you do know that the trouble is right here. So my step 1, I'm going to do the opposite. Minus 17, the opposite will be plus 17. So 3x to the e equal to a plus 17. That gives me 25. Now, do I have my trouble by itself? Not yet. My trouble is only here, right? So I need to do the opposite. Times 3, the opposite will be divided by 3. So I have an e to the x equal to 25 divided by 3. Therefore, we say that because the exponential function, I need a log function to undo it. So I can both sides take the natural log on both sides. And what do you see? Base, the same, cancel out. So natural log and e will cancel out. What you see is what you got. You got x is equal to, now activate your eagle eye. What you see is what you got. Natural log of 25 divided by 3. And yes, indeed, this is my perfect answer. Now, we mentioned about we do not need a calculator, but you still can use the calculator to change that to a fraction, to a decimal, okay? Give you the decimal, well, if you care about the decimal, why not, right? So the way to do it, just to put it in your fantastic calculator. As you can see, that will give you the decimal as you want. So how many decimal you want to get? Just have fun.